Former BBC presenter Hugh Edwards has been spared jail today as he attended Westminster Magistrates' Court to face sentencing. It comes after he pleaded guilty to making vile and indecent images of children. Sean Caulfield, criminal law partner at Hodge Jones and Allen, told Express.co.uk the reason behind why the disgraced BBC presenter was not facing a prison sentence, as they said. Hugh Edwards was most likely spared prison because of his guilty plea. The judge had the discretion to sentence him to up to a year in prison or send him to the Crown Court for a greater sentence, where he could have faced up to 5 years in prison. Mr. Edwards' early guilty plea allowed him a third discount on what would have been his sentence, and this discount may be what kept him out of prison. He will not go to prison today, instead he must now comply with the requirements the court and probation have imposed on him. He must also commit no other offences. If he fails to do either, he may face that term of 6 months imprisonment being activated in part or whole. Edwards previously appeared at the court on July 31, where he entered his plea. The ex-BBC presenter admitted 3 offences between December 2020 and April 2022. As he entered his plea, Ian Hope, prosecuting, detailed the case against him, which stated he had been involved in an online chat with an adult man on WhatsApp between December 2020 and August 2021. The court heard the man sent him 377 sexual images, 41 were indecent images of children. On February 2, 2021, Edwards was asked if the images he was receiving was too young. He responded to tell him not to send any underage images. Of the category images, the ages of most children was between 13 and 15, though one was aged between 7 and 9, the court heard. The final of the indecent images was sent in August 2021, which was a Category A film with a young boy. The man explained to Edwards that he had more images which were illegal. Edwards responded to tell him not to send any illegal images. No further indecent images were sent, and they continued to exchange legal pornographic images until April 2022. Mr. Caulfield previously explained, in the eyes of the law, making an indecent image can refer to several different offences and does not necessarily mean the person in question has produced the image themselves. This can include sharing, storing, opening a received message, or live streaming sexual images of children online. The solicitor added, although the legal age for sexual intercourse in the UK is 16, distributing, possessing or making indecent images of anyone under the age of 18 is against the law, even if the content was created with the person's consent. The law states that anyone under the age of 18 cannot willingly consent to such activity.